Do you guys know this word? That's an S. An S says S-U-N, and that says sun. This book is about how the sun works hard all day. Find out what it does from sunrise to sunset. Sunrise is when the sun comes up, and sunset is when the sun goes down at night. Sun. When the sun rises, it is day. The sun lights and warms. Lights and warms. Lights and warms. When the sun sets, it is night. I'm going to let you look at this picture of the stars and the moon while I read this. And it says, if we didn't have the sun, it would be cold and dark all the time, and there would be no living things on the earth. The sun is very important for life on our planet. Each morning it rises and climbs across the sky, finally setting on the opposite horizon at the end of the day. The sun isn't really moving. The earth spins around once each day, and the sun's energy lights and warms the part of the earth facing it. Sun. Now I'm going to also read this book here called Shooting Stars. Remember, we learned earlier that the sun is a star. So let's read about shooting stars. Shooting stars are bits of rock or iron that fall to the earth. So let's read and discover all about shooting stars. Shooting stars are not stars. Shooting stars are bits of rock and iron. Fun fact, shooting stars are also called meteors. They are part of our solar system. Here are all the planets in our solar system. Shooting stars fall from space toward Earth. Fun fact, shooting stars get very hot as they pass through the air. They make streaks of light in the sky. Some streaks of light are short. Fun fact, most shooting stars last only a few seconds. Some streaks of light are long. Most shooting stars burn up in the air. Fun fact, most shooting stars are smaller than grains of sand. I never knew that. That's a new thing that Miss Tyra I learned. They fall to earth as dust. Some shooting stars land on Earth. Fun fact, when a shooting star lands on Earth, It is called a meteorite. Big ones can make big holes. Did you see this little one here? It looks like just a rock, doesn't it? Some nights have a few shooting stars. Some nights have many shooting stars. That. Fun fact. So a long time ago in 1833, shooting stars filled the night sky. And that's what it looked like. How many shooting stars do you see? Have you seen any outside before? You have to really be looking up. Some night when you're outside, when it's dark, maybe this summertime when it gets dark earlier and maybe you can stay up a little bit later, try to look outside for some shooting stars. They're really special to see, very fun to see. Remember to make that wish when you see a shooting star. I wish I may, I wish I might have wish I wish tonight.